What's up, guys? This is Jeff with online Cubase tutorials, and we are going to talk about routing in this video. You can see that right now in this track we have just a kick and a hat going, and we have a stereo out, and that's the default that you're going to see. We're not recording with any mics right now, so you can turn off the input from the stereo in and just deal with the output. That's weird. Stereo outs here. Okay, there we go. So this is all of our drums, and that's it. Now, with Cubase, you have the ability to make what they call group channels. And a group channel is basically just like a bus. You can take multiple tracks and route them into one track. So I'm just going to name this track drums, and I'm going to say create inside a folder because I like to stay organized. So now I have some group tracks in my Cubase project. I usually put this down here at color 15 or 16. We'll go with color 16. And so color 16, this is the drums group track, and you can see I have different individual drum sounds that are right now. This is speaker defines this as an audio output channel, an audio bus, and these are stereo. So right now this is routed to the stereo output, but I actually want that to go to the drums so that I have a submix. Same for the snare, and same for the percussion. Whoops. And same for in fact, the master as well, because I don't think you can turn off the master bus. I could be wrong, but we'll just put that to the drums just in case. And we'll put this, the master here to drums and the hat to drums. Okay, now what that does is it gives you the ability to, this was just as an example, but if we open up the mixer now, you have a drums, and you can turn down all the drums at once. So you can mix the hi-hat in all by itself. You can mute parts. So if I want to mute the kick drum or mute the hi-hat, you can solo, but you can also do it just with the drums. Mute all the drums. So like group track is really super helpful. And we're going to stay organized throughout the whole project with group tracks as well. So I hope you like this video. I hope it's helpful. The next one, we're going to keep going and make this sound even better.